Hi, everybody. Sorry about the strange things happening with Neuro lately. The sound, the chat, I don't know what's going on, so I apologize. Anyway, I want to just kind of give you guys the discussion that was supposed to go with science. So you don't have to watch this, but if you want to, you can. I'm not going to play the videos because I already sent those out. I will include the links again, but here we go. We're not going to do the weather today, but I hope you drink water because it's supposed to be hot. Okay, so we had our first video, and our first video was all about the solar system and the planets. You guys will learn about that a lot more in first grade and then fifth grade. So it's pretty cool, but you guys will learn about that more later. All right, the book we were going to read was called The Moon. I know in one class we did have somebody who read it, so thank you for doing that. You did a very good job. I think it was Denise, so thank you for that. Um, okay, so I'm going to read the book. This is just a cover page or title page. Okay, the moon looks different over time. The changes happen in a cycle. So as you look at it, you can see how the moon goes in its cycle. So it may start, I don't know if you guys see the pointer, I'm sorry. It can start very dark and then it has a different cycle. It starts to appear. And so we have I want to say it's a waxing crescent. And then we end up getting to a half moon and then the waning crescent and or the full moon. And then eventually we get another new moon. So the moon is dark tonight. The moon is thin tonight. The moon is half full tonight. The moon is full tonight. The moon is half full tonight. It's on the other side this time, though. The moon is thin tonight. See, it's on the other side. The moon is dark tonight. The cycle starts over again. Yeah, we go through cycles over and over and over every month. And so it has to do with the ocean and movement and tilts and all kinds of things. So you guys, like I said, will be learning about that more as we, well, not as we, as you go through school. And then it says, the darker it is, the more you can see. So sometimes when it's real dark at night, especially like we were talking about camping. So if you're ever in the middle of like the desert or somewhere where it's really dark, you'll be able to see lots of stars. And the stars make shapes. And these are called constellations. And they have lots of names. And sometimes they look like animals or just different things. So. And then we watched a video about a solar eclipse. So, solar eclipse is with the sun. It's in the daytime. And then we have a lunar eclipse, which we had, was it last week? When it happens at night with the moon. And then that was it. So, it was going to be really interesting. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed the videos, but Mrs. Young was excited to talk about all this. Okay. That was our last science of the year, by the way. So I hope you enjoyed it.